Good evening everyone, welcome to Cotillo here in Fuerteventura, just after sunset. Out here with some friends for dinner. Absolute stunning evening. Got Harry there and that, my friends here. So nice to be back in Cotillo. Of course you will be seeing more vlogs from me coming up from Cotillo. Surf's up as well, they hit a big surfing beat where I normally surf. You can see right down to the south Fuerteventura. Such a clear evening. Wow. Breathtaking. Absolute stunning evening. On Christmas Eve, who would have thought it? Christmas Eve. And I'm here with friends. Going out for dinner and that we are. Surf's up. I can be. Perfect. The harbour there. It's 6:35 PM on Christmas Eve 2022. Saturday the 24th of December 2022. Here in Cotillo. It's after sunset. See the moon as well. This is what I'm wearing for tonight. I've out with friends here. So yeah. Such a nice evening. Around 19 degrees, quite warm. Lovely. What a better place to spend it here instead of being in England. Here with my friends here. We all out this evening, aren't we? Yo.